Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel or close your the toll road account. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you want to close your account, you need to keep something in your mind. If your card have any, if your account have any kind of balance, so once your account is closed, they will provide you a refund within 21 days. Okay, there is a 21 waiting period for refund. Okay, if applicable. So first of all I want to tell you there are two methods by which you can close your account. So you can see the first method, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, you need to select your account by clicking on your profile icon, and then you can see your account information, and then you can select your close account option very easily. If you are facing any issue, you can also contact with the customer support team. This is the official website of the toll road. You can visit on the website and you can find out, there is their phone number is also mentioned. You can call their customer support team and you can cancel your account very easily, but make sure you should dial their number Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Saturday 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, and once your account will close, they will notify you and your refund will be initiated. Okay, so now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.